guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox the Acer K2 series monitor and then Acer Aspire TC or tower computer. So let's start. So we are unboxing now the Acer Aspire TC or tower computer. And the price is it's 38,000 pesos the price. And this is like this, the box content. First you get this paper, the how to activate pre-install Office Home Student. There are the steps. So let's keep this side. Let's open. And this is the tower or the computer CPU. And it is so heavy, but it's so compact. And the other box contents like the base of the manual. This is the manual to how to plug, and this is the plugs, and then the base of the monitor, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard is like this. The keyboard is like this. And then this is the mouse pad. Actually, this was the tower. So let's keep this aside and let's start this. So we are going to bring that out. So this is the front. It has graphics card, NVIDIA graphics card, and Intel Core i3 10th generation HDMI. And then this is not yet ready, so we have to bring this out, the monitor. This is the side look. This is all metal. This is all metal. This is the sticker for the ID, like ID, device ID. So this is the model number, like this. And the back side, these are the ports. This is the VGA port, the monitor, HDMI ports, 2 HDMI ports, 4 USB ports, and then 1 Ethernet port, and then 3 audio ports. So in the front, this looks like this. In the front, there is an SD card, and then the USB Type C, the USB, and then the headphone jack, and then the speakers. This is the hard drive cover. This is the power button, and it says here there is a NVIDIA graphics card, and then the Intel Core i3 10th generation. So this is the specification, highlighting features. Windows 10 64 bits, 10 Gen Intel Core i3, NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 2GB graphics card. You can do editing, and then 1TB hard drive, 128GB solid state drive or SSD. There is a card reader, and then the Wi-Fi networking, wireless. So that's all. And there is a hole for the cooling inside the CPU. So that's all. Now we are going to unbox. So guys, we are unboxing now the Acer K2 series, the full HD monitor. So it looks like this. It has full HD 21.5 LED, mercury safe. And then these are the highlighting features: 1920 by 180, full HD, flickerless, blue light filter, and then the comfy view, and then the eco display. So this is decent monitor, I would say, for the online class, the kids who do. And that's all. Let's unbox this monitor. So let's unbox. These are the same highlighting features. This is the same. There is Acer branding. So that's all. So let's unbox. We will keep this aside, the tower. So this is the monitor, guys. This is the box contents. It has this one. Let's bring this out. It has this one, the port, the main wire for the monitor. And then this one, this is VGA port. And then this one is, let me remove this. Let me remove this. I think this would be the base for the monitor. Oh, so this one is the hang up system. So this is like stand, and then there will be a base down here. So it looks like this. It's like metal, and it has hook down. Let's keep this side. Now this is the screen. So this is the user manual on how to use this. This is the user manual. So this is the warranty, about the warranty of the display in all languages, and then the user manual on how to connect. So let's bring out the monitor. So this is the wire, the HDMI cable, if your desktop tower supports the HDMI port. Let's keep this side. And then the main thing is here, guys. The main thing is here, the monitors. Yep, boy. The monitors are coming out. Wow. So this has a lot of protection. Good. I like it, because it's a good monitor. And then the monitor looks like this, and then it has something protection, like there is protection, good protection here. There is, like, it says warnings, do not touch like this, avoid things to do that. So that's all. There is nothing in the box. Now let's open it. Open. I hope it's good. Oh, so this is like this. I like it. It's quite wide. So it's wide, like this. So this is nothing. There is a base down here, the circular base. So we are going to opening this. There is no fitting, so we are going to fit later after we make this video. We have to be careful. So this is the Acer, as usual. This is all Acer. So all of the parts are like from Acer brand. So this is like this. It's wide. This is the model K22. And then this is the display, 21 inches display. It's full HD. It looks like a mini TV. And this is the base. And this is the base. So this is on how we're going to put. So this has the pattern like these lines. And then this is the base that we are going to put. Guys, this is like this. We are going to now put it in. Since this is like this, now we are going to put the screwdriver. We need the screwdriver. So we are going to screw this. So we will going to put this tight so that it will be safety well in the monitor. So this is good. It's, look at this. This is like small. This is like tiny, cute. Now this is the base. This is the all base. This has a plastic texture and then the matte texture or the glossy. So let's put it the monitor here. So guys, we still fit it, and the hanging one is now okay. We have to put the base now. So there was a little problems, and then this one is the tower. This is the monitor. So my dad is doing it because I'm still not okay. So this is a little bit okay. I have to. We are going to set up this a little bit later. So I'm going to tell. There is a mouse there. Mouse. There is a mouse here. Acer mouse. And then there is a base for the CPU. As it shows that one. So while doing this is the mouse that I forgot, and this is the base for the CPU. This one, and we are going to put, but we are not going to do that because you know we are the boys. Oh, so there is a sticker here in the back side, Acer. Actually, I like it. I pretty much like it. It looks like a mini TV. And then now my dad is going to put this one, the base screw. So let's start with the background noise for a little. If there is a background noise, don't mind that. Sorry for that again. So okay, now this looks now the monitor. So this one is monitor now. Acer branding. Now it's the good one, I think. This is the best monitor I have ever seen with this one, and the price is 38k Philippine pesos. Now let's plug it in. We will see you in later. 3, 2, 1. Bye.